everyone, welcome to AFI's YouTube channel where we bring new ideas to your business. Today we are going to be making bath bombs. They are very popular and would be a great addition to your product line. Let's get started. All right, we're gonna start off by mixing half a cup of baking soda into a large bowl. Look at that. Alrighty. Next is 1/4 cup of citric acid. This is what makes it bubble and sizzle all up all fun and yon. Then I'm going to be grabbing 1/4 a cup of EPSOM salt. This is really good for the muscles, you know. Yeah, cornstarch. 1/4 a cup in. Here we go. All right. Once they're on the bowl, you want to whisk them together. Great. All right, so I'm gonna set that aside and then we're going to go on to our wet ingredients. I have a beaker. You can use an at-home measuring cup, whatever you want. I'm going to start off with 1/4 tablespoon of castor oil. All right, so 1, level it out, and 1/4. Perfect. All right. And then next we're going to be doing 1/3 of a tablespoon of water. One in. There we go. On in there. Then we're going to be adding our fragrance. I'm using the AFI Kiwi Grapefruit. Just give me a second. That's really good. All right, so I'm gonna drop that on in there. We can do 2 drops. Let's do 2 drops. 1, 2, 3. Next, our last liquid ingredient is coloring. You don't have to add coloring. I'm adding red, 2 drops to make it a pinkish color. Love pink. More fun that way. It will not dye your tub. You're fine. 2 drops. 1, 2. All right. Next, we're going to mix all of the wet ingredients together. It'll start getting that color. All right. Now, slowly, you want to pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, and you want to mix it as you go. So we're going to do a little drop here. Alrighty, we're going to whisk it in. Add a little more. Slowly. You don't want it to start fizzing right away. That's for later. You'll know when it's properly mixed when the mixture is damp, and then we'll start packing it into the containers. Ooh, this is beautiful. Checking the moisture. Damp. We're ready to pack it. All right, so now that the mixture is damp, we're going to pack them into the molds. I got my molds off Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can get yours there too if you'd like. So we're gonna scoop it up, pack it in tightly. Here we are. Do some more. It already feels so soft on my fingers. I know this is gonna be great. All right, I've got one side. All right, so they are friends, so they're going to be put together, molded. And you can either leave it in the fridge for an hour or overnight. It just depends on how soon you wanna use it. All right, now that our molds have sat for an hour in the fridge, they are ready to be opened like a little clam. And now we prepare. I don't need these, but I just want them. All right. All right, I've got my water, makeshift bathtub. Can't fit in that, but this can. Let's go. All right. 3, 2, 1. There it goes. Kiwi and grapefruit. All right, guys, thanks for watching AFI's DIYs. I hope you have as much fun as I did. If you like our video, please hit the subscribe button below. My hand's really soft. Bye.